Are you looking forward to pin comments on Instagram posts? Then in today's video, I'm gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can easily pin comments on Instagram posts. So let's get started. First thing first, move into your application Instagram and make sure you are logged in. Once you have been logged in into a specific account, you need to head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside your feed, head over to any of the posts that you want to pin the comment. Once you're inside the post, click on this comment icon. Let's say from here you want to pin any of the comment. All you gotta do is tap and hold the comment. You can see the option of pin, click on it. Tap on pin comment. Wait for a while. And there you go, the comment has been pinned. Likewise, you can pin any of the comment of the post that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.